you're supposed to wear your rink between the shoulder seam and elbow when been at 90-degree angle. So that's what I measured. I have the arm in here because I have mannequins over there, or the dress forms and mannequins, but I have the arm thing in here, and I actually put the coat on, and I measured. I measured where my elbow was and I marked it. It's kind of crazy looking. So I measured from, this is the shoulder seam. So I measured from there all the way to the elbow, and I measured the midpoint. That's the correct spot. So I just traced around it with the chalk. So just traced around it with the chalk. Then I started to seam rip it. Seam ripping is literally just taking the thread out or popping the threads out, but you have to be really careful. Anyways, I have the thread. I'm actually gonna finish seam ripping this. Then I'm gonna pin the new patch on. I have to buy all these because I got promoted. Well, I'm a select, so I got this, but there's a freaking booze inspection coming up, so I have to use my senior airman rank, and clearly I haven't updated it since. So yeah, I'm gonna sew this on, and then once I get promoted and actually sew my rank on, then I'm gonna update it to this. This is what I have after I seam rip the rink off. Now I'm just gonna clean this up and just get the extra thread out. That's good. Oh, matter of fact, let me show you the other side, because I thought the basic training people, when they sewed the stitches on, I thought they like hand sewed it, but this is clearly the machine because they sewed it to the lining, and I thought I was gonna have to like undo all of this and have to do it clean looking and stuff, but no, they sew through the lining. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna sew through the lining, and this is the lining, like inside of the coat is the lining. What's this? I don't know, but I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna let these two meet because this is clearly smaller than my A1C one. Yeah, the A1C is a little bigger. So you can see the senior airman one, and then the A1C one is back here, is a little bigger. So that's fine. I'm just gonna let it meet right here, which is totally cool. And then I'm just gonna pin it. This is what I have, and I'm just gonna pin down here because after this is sewn down, it's fine, and it's a little hard to pin it through. But I feel like the easiest way to pin it through is to go through first, grab this, and then just poke it in, and it's easier that way. I'm just gonna do this bottom part, and I'm gonna start here to make sure that it's even and it's not moving or anything. Then I'm just gonna go all around, but I will show you that in a minute. I have my stitch length. I'm putting it at 2.5, and it's gonna be a straight stitch. Anyways, this is a little hard already. Actually, if I take this off, it's a bit easier. It's just a little straight. No, it's not easier. And again, I'm starting down here where I pinned that, so I can make sure that it's actually stuck in place. And you want to make sure you're not sewing the sleeves down, and making sure the lining is straight. So you want to like kind of pull, but not really pull. So now I'm just going to sew at the edge. Okay, so starting at this corner, and I'm going to use my hand wheel. Matter of fact, I'm going to change my view. Hold it up. You probably can't tell, but there are stitches right here at the edge, and then I started sewing on the inside right here. So I'm gonna seam rip this side because it's on the edge, and then I'm gonna sew on the inside. And that is how you sew patches on, and you can just easily wipe the chalk off with a damp cloth. And that is it.